Creating a report in TruServe is now even simpler. Click on Reports, and you'll be guided through an easy step-by-step process. Begin by choosing whether you're going to report on activities or impacts. Select your date range using the date picker or a custom range, and each organization can determine which ranges make sense for their system. Either click Next or directly on the next step to filter items. And here you can narrow your report results by activity type, programs and goals, focuses, any fields that you've entered information on. Select a specific program or become even more specific by selecting a program goal. You can further filter by organization. So if you want to see all your work related to community health centers, for example, you can determine that here. See all your results related to a specific organization by entering their name and choosing from the autocomplete. Or see all your work related to a specific group you've created within your system. Now we're going to select our output. So we're going to determine which charts, tables we would like to see and if we want to create a map. Click See Results to see your final report. And at the top of our report page, we can see a summary of the different criteria that we selected. At any time, you can click on any of these criteria to maybe change what you're seeing. And this will adjust the results that you see. First, we see activities by county, so we see our map of our state. And the chart icon is going to show us a visual of our map. The table icon is going to give us a table of our raw data. And we have the option to either download it as an image or as a spreadsheet. And this information can be included in reports and Word documents, PowerPoints. See activities by type, focus, by mode. Here we can see by organization types, and this represents unduplicated organizations. So, for example, we can look at community health centers. It's showing 2 activities related to different community health centers. And then in our organization listing, we can see that we've actually worked with those individual community health centers more than once, but it's only being represented once in our chart above. Further down, we'll see a chart of our staff activities and then a full list report. And you can click on any of these activity titles to update the records. You can also go to the top of the page and export all of these records into a spreadsheet. From this page, you can also create a template of this report if you're going to be using it again in the future. You can give it a description and determine whether it's going to be accessible by everyone, just yourself or a few others if there's someone in your program that would like to use this report as well. Now when we create a report, we have the option again to either create a report from scratch or use one of our reporting templates. To do that, we just click Use, and we can change things like the date range, if it's a monthly report you're running, for example, or any other criteria.